Hello, today I'm going to play Minecraft Marine Biologist. I have downloaded a mod on a Nintendo Switch on the Minecraft Marketplace. This Marine Biologist. I'm not familiar with ladders in Minecraft. I forgot how to climb this. Wait, there's something on my table right now. Wait. Like something's crawling. I think it's an ant. I don't know. Maybe an ant. Okay. Now, there's also a data scanner. Also, there's also collectibles in here. Also, air refill. If you're deep in the water, you should find many of these if you're deep in the water, so you cannot run out of air. Okay, sorry for the noise background. But where's the base? Let's go. Okay, I'm swimming. Even if I have even if I have a diving suit, I still run out of air. Look at where the base is. Okay, there's the base. Also, I know they have a submarine. Okay, there's one station here. There should be a lever or button here so I can activate the station. I don't know if I already activated this. Okay, I already activated this station. Okay, this is the base. I sometimes go into creative mode so I can get a submarine. That's the only way I can get a submarine. Okay, there's some... Okay, we're in the lab. First, I'm going to get changed. Okay, now I have ancient figurine collectibles. Lee. Hello. Ooh, more stuff. Lab coat, seafoam coat. Also, there's basic dive mask. They're just the basics. Okay, these are... I need to activate the active research stations, the deep trench, deep ocean, coral canyon, shipwreck, sandy dunes, pipelines, black hole. I already got glowing cave, mangrove forest, and kelp forest. Wait, I forgot. I accidentally spawned a seahorse. You can actually scan, I think. Scan it. This is the I don't know, I forgot. You can actually put collectibles here. Like that. But it will not. Also there is some air refill, so many. I don't know if I actually put them here. I actually need some air refill so I can go to underwater. Wait, there's a balloon. Okay. There's a... This is my very first mod that I downloaded. Ouch. In Minecraft Bedrock Edition. I don't have Java Edition. Okay. I don't know if there's more air refills. I just put them there. Okay, I'm just going to go into my diving suit so I can dive with some fish. Actually, don't make stop motion. I should make stop motion. Okay, so there is no fish here. So I should go into creative mode so I can spawn some fish. I have no more Wi-Fi, so I'm just going. That's why I have creative mode. I haven't played in a while, so I kind of forget. Okay, so mob eggs, octopus, swordfish, spawn scuba diver. It's going to be in here, yeah. It's going to be scuba diving. Wait, the camera's not focusing. Hey you. Okay, they're actually swimming. Okay. I'm just going to put some animals. Otter, whale shark, anchovies, seahorse, hammerhead shark. Just going to go with sword, nautilus, and jellyfish, and moray eels. Just going to spawn for each animal. I'm just going to spawn for. Okay, there. Now the scuba divers are now going to be scuba diving with live animals. Where's the other scuba diver? I don't know. I only found one. Yep. Okay. Oh, there he is. Hello. What are you doing? Just going to spawn in some animals. Because there are no animals and this lab black is actually. Okay, this should be swordfish, whale shark, and otters. Swordfishes, whale sharks. Oh, I forgot how huge they are. Now otters. Okay, that is the second one complete. And more. Okay, now they are swimming. There's also another one here. Okay, they actually have animals. Going to put another scuba diver. One blue octopus. Okay, now they are now going to be swimming with. Now there's also another one in the center. Wait, what does this have? Oh wait, scuba diver. Oh no. Boom. Oh, he dropped. Haha. Okay, I'm just going to finish the video at 11 minutes. Scuba divers in here. Now I'm just going to spawn tropical fish. No spring whale. Turtles. Okay, now that's that. I'm just going to go back to survival or adventure mode. Okay. Okay, they're actually swimming. Meow. I don't know why the other one is here. Come on. Go. Just going to push him. Okay, no. Okay, don't get killed. Okay, now this one is following me. Come on, I'm just going to get out. Okay, the video is almost going to end, so that is all of the video. So goodbye and see you in the next video.